Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's video we will be doing this super cute farmhouse mirrored frame. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. So what you're going to need is a big white foam board. You're also going to need 4 mirrored frames, and then also some chalk paint of your choice, a paintbrush, some glue sticks for your glue gun, and then also some super glue. And everything was purchased from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I did was remove the mirror and the backing off of the frames, and I started to paint those with my chalk paint. Since I wanted a more rustic farmhouse look, I went ahead and only did 1 light layer. So once my frames were painted and dried, I went ahead and started to hot glue them together. And then once I had them hot glued together, I went ahead and added the mirror and the backing back to the frame. So for some extra support and so the frames wouldn't be flimsy while I handled them, I went ahead and added some duct tape to the back of the frames. And then once I did that, I put them on the white poster board to trace out how big of a size I needed. And then I used a box cutter to cut down the size. And then once I was done doing that, I went ahead and grabbed the hot glue and the super glue, and I was very generous with this. And then once I was done adding the glue and the hot glue, I went ahead and added the frames on top of that. And then once everything was glued down to the foam poster board, I went ahead and cleaned the mirrors. So I wanted to put this cute little wreath that I got from the 99-cent store. I've actually had this for a while now, but I didn't want to hot glue it just in case I wanted to change it out in the future. So I grabbed some fishing wire and I looped that around the wreath. And then once I looped it, I went ahead and grabbed the chicken wire and I taped it to the back of the frames so that they could be held in place. And that's it, you guys. This is the finished look and I'm obsessed. It's so pretty, it's so farmhouse, and it looks store-bought, and only for a few dollars from items at the dollar store. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on the next one.